Ever wondered what Node.js is? Well, let's delve into its origin and significance in the bustling world of web development. Node.js is an open-source, cross-platform, back-end JavaScript runtime environment. Quite a mouthful, isn't it? But simply put, it's a tool that runs JavaScript code outside of a web browser. This means it's not confined to the limitations of a browser, giving developers more flexibility and control. So Node.js is not a programming language or a framework, it's a runtime environment for executing JavaScript code. Now that we know what Node.js is, you might be asking, what is it used for? Well, Node.js is a real powerhouse when it comes to building scalable network applications. It's the go-to tool for those seeking to handle a large number of simultaneous connections in a non-blocking manner. In simpler terms, it helps keep your application running smoothly, regardless of the traffic amount it's handling. But that's not all. Node.js is also a stellar choice for building web servers and networking tools. It employs JavaScript, a language many of us are familiar with, and a collection of modules that handle various core functionalities. From HTTP requests to file systems, these modules are the backbone of any Node.js application, ensuring everything runs like a well-oiled machine. So, whether you're developing a real-time application like a chat engine or a complex single-page application, Node.js has got you covered. In essence, Node.js has become an essential tool for modern web development. In a nutshell, that's Node.js for you. We've delved into its core concepts, explored its wide-ranging uses, and highlighted its significant role in today's tech landscape. This powerful tool, with its non-blocking I/O and event-driven architecture, is revolutionizing how we build and interact with the web. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about such fascinating tech topics, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay curious, keep learning,